Meaning of heretical.
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 Heretical. The term heretical refers to beliefs or practices that deviate from established religious or social doctrines. It suggests a departure from traditional thinking or a rejection of commonly accepted ideas. Being labeled as heretical can carry negative connotations and may result in ostracism, persecution, or worse. The word originates from the Greek word heretikos, which means able to choose or divisive. In modern times, the term can also be used to describe those who reject widely accepted scientific theories or political ideologies, although the context is typically less severe.